Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Ubuntu Linux series on MindTech YouTube channel. Today we are going to install VirtualBox on Ubuntu. VirtualBox is a general purpose virtualization tool that allows users and administrators to easily run multiple guest operating systems on a single host. I use VirtualBox to test new releases of the operating system such as Ubuntu Linux or Windows. VirtualBox consumes less memory and CPU resources than the actual operating system. So let's get started with the installation. Open Google Chrome or any browser you use. Search on VirtualBox. Click on the Oracle VM VirtualBox link. Click on Downloads. Then click on Linux Distributions. Click on Ubuntu 19.10/20.04 link and VirtualBox download will start. As you can see, VirtualBox is downloaded to Downloads folder. Now let's install it using GDB package installer. VirtualBox def file is loaded in GDB now. Click on Install Package, enter system user operating system password and authenticate. VirtualBox installation is now in progress. Installation is now finished and we can start using VirtualBox. Let's open VirtualBox through Show Applications menu. To create a new virtual machine, click on New. Let's name it Ubuntu 20.04 and click on Next. Select the memory required for virtual machine. We will set it to 4 GB. Next, we'll create a virtual hard disk. Select the default option for the VirtualBox disk image. Select dynamically allocated storage. Finally, set the location of the virtual disk image and its size. To start a virtual machine, click on Start. Then load the operating system ISO file from which the virtual machine will be created. Click on Start. The VirtualBox has now started and it has started loading Ubuntu Linux operating system. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications for my future videos.